and can bring just that little bit of added, ooh, what's that, to your work. And you puff it up with a heat gun, and you get a really interesting texture. Or something a bit more organic like this, then you can use thick acrylic paint. I think I've heat gunned enough, but it's another way of raising the surface and adding a little bit of interest. While we're talking about heat gunning, I'd like to show you how you can heat gun polyester organza. So I think you can see you've got quite an interesting effect there where you're starting to heat gun the Bondaweb. So you can use various straight lines, you can use little circles. Obviously, circles will start to create punctuation points, but it's obviously flat because you use an iron. So it is good to try and find a way of raising the surface.